Hello friends, time for my new Coca-Cola burps. Let's go. My friends, how are you? Guys, I miss you so much. I am so sorry for no YouTube videos in the last years. I'm so sorry, my friends. Well, I mean, I'm back from Ukraine war. I'm fighting for the Ukraine forces in the Ukraine. I hate Russia, Russian government, Russian people, Russian army. Fuck off. I hate Russia. Freedom for Ukraine. I mean, I'm living not in Ukraine. I think Ukraine is the best country of the world. I think Russia is not good for the worldwide freedom. Russia is stupid. Is not good. Then 2 days back to the Ukraine. Ukraine forces is very good. Ukraine war not good. I miss my country, United States, my country. Ukraine. What is this? So. No. This is good for Russian government. Putin, fuck you. Fuck Putin. Holy fuck. This is very nasty. My friends, thank you for the watching. Thank you for watching my video. Yeah. I wish you good luck. And greetings from Ukraine. And yes, see you on the next video, my friends. I love you. Subscribe my channel and follow me on YouTube. Yeah. I wish you good luck and have a great day. Yeah. Bye bye. Dos vidania, baka.